everyone. Today we will be solving the hacker rank problem, that is hurdle race. It comes under easy category. Let us have a look at the problem statement. A video player plays a game in which the character competes in a hurdle race. Okay, the hurdles are of varying heights. This means the heights of the hurdles might vary, like you might have seen in the horse race too. And the characters have a maximum height they can jump. Okay, K will be the maximum height they can jump, and there is a magic potion like an energy drink they can take that will increase their maximum jump height by 1 unit. Okay, how many doses of potion must the character take to be able to jump all the hurdles if the character can already clear all the hurdles, return 0. Okay, if the character or a person can jump the maximum height in one jump, we have to return 0, or else we have to return the highest element minus k element, difference between the highest element and the k element. Okay, here we will follow 6 steps to solve the problem. In the first, we take inputs n and k, as we can see in the input format, and then we will declare an array of size n. Let's have a look at the constraints. Okay, by looking at these constraints, we can have a integer array, and in step 3 we will read the elements from the user input and store in an array. We'll use the scanner class here, and in the step 4 we will sort the array for time being, so that we can find the highest element, which will be the n-1th index, and we'll find the result. The result will be maximum element from the array minus the k element, k value. Okay, and we'll display the result. Okay, let us proceed into the solution. Okay, let us get into the solution. I'll be using IntelliJ IDEA for Java, and let us remember the step 1. In the step 1, we'll take the inputs n and k, both are integer inputs. Okay, now we'll be declaring an integer array of length n. Okay, and we'll take the user input for the elements of the array. We'll iterate through the for loop. And the next step will be, we'll sort the array so we can find the largest element of the array. Okay, this is a compile time error. Import class java.util.arrays. Okay, or else simply we can do java.util.star, and the whole packages will be included. And in the step 4, we'll be finding the largest element of the array. Okay, as this is an integer array, we'll have the integer elements, so we'll declare a variable which will store the maximum element of the array. as the array is sorted, the largest element will be the last element of the array. So as the array indexing starts from 0 to and n minus 1, so the n minus 1th element will be the largest element, array of n minus 1. So we have assigned the value to the max, which is the largest element, and now we need to find the result. Int result is equals to, and the result will be the difference between the largest element of the array and the k variable. Okay, max minus k. Okay, here we have two situations where k will be positive and k will be negative. K will be positive when there is a need to take the portion, and k will be negative when there is no need to take the portion, negative or 0. Okay, we'll see the solution. We need to print the result. If result is less than or equals to 0, we will output system.out.println. The result will be 0. Else, if it is greater than 0, we'll output the result. Okay, let's run the program, and we'll check for the sample case. Demo.java. Okay, here's some error in the previous one. I don't know why it happens. And now we'll check for our sample case. Okay, in our sample case, n is equals to 5, k is equals to 4, and the array elements are 1, 6, 3, 5, 2, and the output should be 2. Okay, we got the output, and this is the program. Happy coding.